When I started working here almost 50 years ago, things were quite different. We always had to document our total process of breaking a rock. So we used the old Polaroid cameras and the black and white film that you had to pull out and put the gel coating on there, which I'm sure a lot of y'all never heard of this. Now we have the digital cameras. We just take photos. My name is Andrea Mosie and I work with moon rocks. I think you should be passionate about whatever you decide to do, not because somebody else wants you to do it. I love working with the moon rocks because this is the only place that you can work on this amount of samples. We're working in a clean room for the fact that we need to keep the samples that came from the moon in the same pristine state that they were in when they were collected. And my favorite sample is Apollo 17 sample, 76535, and it's beautiful. These samples are a national treasure. Astronauts brought these samples back from the moon from 1969 to 1972. The goal is to go and get more, but what we have to take care of. Before NASA even allowed STEM that I know of, I was going to elementary schools with friends who were teaching because I wanted to motivate them. I wanted them to see what I was doing so I could let them know that they could do the same thing that I was doing, and let them know that math, science, engineering, was a good feeling. One challenge that I may have faced over the years is knowing that you deserve to be somewhere that others may feel that they don't want you to be. But as long as you do your best and you know that you deserve it, you work for that goal and you do what you know right, because nobody can stop you from doing what you want to do. No one can stop you from being what you want to be, and no one can stop you from going to whatever heights that you want to go, because you are in control of your own destiny.